In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your FreeStyle Libre data with your family and your healthcare professionals. No matter if you use FreeStyle LibreLink app or your FreeStyle Libre reader, I have a solution for you. So scan your sensors and let's go! Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tom. I've been type 1 diabetic for over 30 years, and on this channel I help you navigate your diabetes journey. Guys, I was diagnosed with diabetes when I was a child, and back then FreeStyle Libre or any other CGM did not even exist. So you can imagine how difficult it must have been for my parents to monitor my blood sugars. But today we have amazing technology, and I want to show you how you and healthcare professionals can monitor blood sugars of your loved ones remotely using all the FreeStyle Libre tools that are available in the toolbox. So let's imagine that I'm a 10-year-old boy again, but this time I'm using FreeStyle Libre sensors. These are my parents. They can't be with me all the time because they are very busy, but they want to monitor my blood sugars and get an alarm whenever I'm going too high or too low to make sure I'm staying safe. And this is Dr. Dan, a diabetologist in our local hospital. And because of the pandemic, he can only make appointments with his patients remotely. So he needs my parents to send him my blood sugar results before the appointment that we have scheduled as conference call next week. Now let's see what my parents have to do to make this happen and what kind of tools and apps they need. And we will have a look at two different scenarios. In the first one, I already have a mobile phone with LibreLink app to take my blood sugar readings. And in the second one that we will look at in the minute, I only have the FreeStyle Libre reader. Now for my parents to be able to monitor my blood sugars remotely and get alarms on their own phones, they need me to install the LibreLink app, which is the yellow one. And my parents and anyone else who wants to follow me need to install the LibreLinkUp app on their phone, which is the red one. By the way, both of these apps can be downloaded from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Now, when I download any of these apps for the first time, I need to first create an account for each user that will be using the app. So in our case, it will be myself and my parents. For each account I create, I will need to enter an email address, and this email address will then be used to invite the users to follow you and receive your readings. In my case, I already have an account created, so I will use this email address to sign in. Now, to allow my followers to see my readings, I need to go to the LibreLink app on my phone and navigate to connected apps in the menu. Then I click Connect next to the LibreLinkUp app logo, and here I can add names and email addresses of the people who I want to follow me. And by the way, I can have up to 5 people following me, which is quite cool. Once I've added my followers, they will receive a notification, and when they accept it, they will receive all my readings, so the numbers, all my trends, so the arrows, and they will get high and low alarms if I'm using Libre 2. The only disadvantage of the LibreLinkUp app is that my parents will not see the graphs. They will see the numbers, the arrows, they will get alarms, but they will not see the graphs. But for the graphs, we have another app, and I will get to it in a minute. But guys, if you're getting value out of this video, hit that like button. Now let's talk about how I can share my FreeStyle Libre data with Dr. Dan directly from my phone. And there are two options. Option 1 is that Dr. Dan sends me an invitation from his Libre View account. To do that, he only needs the email address that is associated with my LibreLink account. By the way, you can always view your email address in the Settings tab under the Account Settings section in the LibreLink app. And option 2 is that I ask Dr. Dan for his practice ID. When I get his ID, then I can enter it in my LibreLink app in the Libre View section under the Connected Apps tab. And once I connect it with Dr. Dan this way, he will be getting all my readings automatically, and I don't have to do anything manually. Now let's look at the second scenario. In this one, I'm still using the FreeStyle Libre sensor, but I don't have a mobile phone, or I don't have a LibreLink app because it just doesn't work properly in my country. In this situation, I need to use the Libre reader. But what I can do is I can install the Libre View app on my computer, and this will allow me to share my data with Dr. Dan. And Libre View is a great tool for me as well, because it is anyway a bit easier to view various blood sugar graphs and patterns on a huge computer screen rather than on a tiny phone display. To download the Libre View on your PC or Mac, go to libreview.com, and you can use the same credentials that you use for LibreLink app to log in. And if you don't have an account, you just need to set up one. It's quite easy. Now you should know that Libre View on your computer automatically receives the data from your LibreLink app. But if you don't have a phone, you just need to do it this old school way with the yellow cable. Guys, if you have any questions or any other tips how you share your readings with your loved ones, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more tips and tricks for FreeStyle Libre, click on the video on the screen right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next Type 1 Talks video. Ciao!